There's another pool up there on the top. I think there's even an adult pool, like a topless pool. There was. I don't know if it's still topless. Was the newest tower is right there. This is the old tower. This old tower, the rooms are so freaking noisy because of the French doors. All the noise comes in from the outside. I mean, all. When an airplane comes by, which is every 30 seconds, it absolutely sounds like it's in your room. The property is beautiful, though. Really is. This used to be a big swimming pool right here. This used to be swim up gambling right here. Now it's a floor. That used to be a swimming pool. Now it's green space, I guess you could call it, but it's artificial turf. People play football out here. That's not what they want them to do, but that's what they do. Certainly seems like they didn't even try to match these buildings. I mean, they are not even close. The problem, that new section over there is just as noisy as the old section because the new section has adjoining doors, and the adjoining door lets all the noise come in from the people next to you. Absolutely, you can hear them as well as if they were in your room. met Barbara Eden in here once. Right there on that red sofa. And all of a sudden she went up in smoke. That was the end of that date. If you don't know who Barbara Eden is, you have to look her up on Microfiche. She's probably not on the internet. I still don't know what these things are for. Anybody know? I don't understand. You could put your leg in there and stretch out, I guess. Or you could let your chihuahua rest. Or your cat. But if the cat was here and the chihuahua was there, they'd probably tear through the middle. Get at each other. I don't know. I don't know what they're for. I don't know. Is that something? $15. $25. $15. Ooh, that's pretty. That's real pretty. I'm surprised someone won't steal that. Well, I'm not saying they won't. They might. Why do I want fake money? Understand. Is there real money behind the fake money? Huh.
Monday, 6 a.m. Eastern, ESPN. Plus a whopping 11 hours of coverage. You can see every single foot of the full night on ESPN and ESPN Plus. All right, now this is must-see action. Gold Cup U.S. men's national team.
High lemon sluts. $25. There you go. Now we're talking. Show me a 500. $1, no. $1, $1. $5, $1. $5, $1. $25. This looks like a nice place. So it's like appetizer type food. A full bar. See what we can see up here. See how clean the escalators are. They're very clean. Yeah, they're very, very clean. Not everybody can keep their escalators clean for some reason. Seems like there should be like a brush that would just, you could hold it up here and it would do the job without doing much work. Fitness center is much improved. They moved it up here and they made it tiny. I see they knocked a wall out, or maybe they reconfigured it completely because now it's back to the size it was when it was downstairs. Now it's a really nice fitness center. Yeah, much nicer. See if we can see the swimming pool from out here. This is more of the swimming pool that you can't see from the other direction. You can see that first part is sand and the other part is concrete. It's a nice pool. Oh, here's some more of the exercise room. Really nice. Yeah, that's the upper pool over there. It's a small pool. Used to be topless, not sure if it still is. Yeah, that's a... Yeah, these rooms over here used to be really valuable on rehab Sunday. You sit on your balcony and be thoroughly entertained by the drunkenness and the lewd and lascivious activities. It looked like the Jersey Shore down here. Alright, that's all I got to say about the Virgin for tonight.